Yo, what's going on YouTube? I'm not really sure why the audio is a little low in this video, but it's kind of more of a voiceover, kind of. Just a fair warning. I'm letting y'all know right now, it is a little low. So if you still want to watch it, this is a good video. I'm not gonna lie, this is probably one of the best videos I streamed that day. But hey, that's up to y'all to choose. I'm gonna get up out of here. Y'all be sure to drop a like, comment, subscribe, man. I'm gonna see y'all. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy DK back here with another video, my nigga. How y'all doing? Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. He, she, they, them. How y'all doing? I mean, okay, reconnected. Thank you very much. But YouTube, with that being said, let's hop straight into this.
Officers are pursuing a stolen motorcycle, and once they detain the rider, he makes a shocking move.
Oh, he hit the dash, didn't he? I know he hit the dash. Yep. Whoa. How he get caught?
I didn't steal that bike. Okay. Did I run because I know it was stolen? Yes. Can I smoke one cigarette before we go in, please?
Yep. He's been to jail before. Every time they ask to smoke a cigarette, they've 9 times out of 10 been to jail before.
Earlier this morning, I know who had that bike earlier. Who's that? I can't. I'm not a rat. I can barely talk. Can I please have a drink of water? I don't want a water, man. Like 10.
I want a sip. Can I just have a sip of water?
You just told me you wanted me to get bit by that dog. Because I was upset at the time. Please let me smoke a cigarette, man. Please. Cigarettes are going to dry your mouth out even more, man. I don't care. I'm going to prison, please.
This is a young cop, too, telling him this. That's hilarious. Look at him, little faker, bro. He literally trying to get out.
How much do you have in the bag? Like a quarter gram of ice and 2 Xanaxes.
And Xanax? Oh, yeah, bro. See, y'all white people, bro. Y'all be doing them crazy drugs, bro. Why? Why do y'all like them crazy-ass drugs, bro? Receiving stolen property or possession of it. Oh, hold on. I need to read that. In most states, receiving stolen property or being in possession of a stolen vehicle is a misdemeanor. Interesting. But now he's about to steal a police car, so let's see how well this goes. Uh-oh. He really taking off on them. Chat. Oh my gosh, he just stole a car. And he's gone. Bro, what? He's gone. Oh yeah, we gotta see how this one ends, chat. We gotta see how this one ends. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Oh, he in shock. He like, what the fuck? Did he just steal my car?
Listen to me. I stole a cop car and I'm driving. You gotta meet me somewhere, baby, so I don't get caught. Where are you meeting me?
He pissed. He pissed he got his truck stolen. We'll get him.
Ross's gas station. How long till you're there? Baby, how long till you're there? Where you at? You're in this? He was handcuffed.
That's what I'm saying. Ain't no way he got out. Bro, you need to go. Ooh! Oh my gosh, he almost hit that car.
Baby, I'm heading to your dad's house. I'm gonna hide out there.
He talking about some headed to your dad's house. Bro, I don't think you getting away. And he's gone. If they go the other way, I don't think he went that way. I don't think he went that way. pissed. He pissy. He turning red. He's literally turning red. Oh my gosh. I wonder if they end up finding him again. Yo, they not moving out the way fast enough. I'm not gonna lie. This is a very serious high speed chase right now, bro.
You know where your village is at? I'm gonna try to hide somewhere around there, okay? Hey? What? Love you.
Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Oh, they found you. They found you, cuh. They found you, Sway. No. No, they found my cuh. So how fast is he going? He's going 127. Oh, that boy moving. That boy locked them doors with the quickness too, because he knew he left them keys in the car. And he left the car running. Ooh, that boy dumb. That boy dumb. Hey, yo, I'll be just as mad. I'm not even gonna hold you, bro. I'm not even gonna hold you. I'll be just as mad. Oh, they got spikes up there. I wonder if he popped his tire. His face red as hell. I'm saying, face red as I don't know what.
Baby, York Village, they hit me with spike strips. Can't drive much further. York Village, I'm gonna run and hide.
Assisting someone in a crime generally carries the same criminal penalty as committing the crime. Dang. Oh my gosh. They fully loaded with ARs. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ooh, you hear that tire flat now. That tire going flat now. He gonna crash. He's about to crash. He's about to crash. He's about to crash. They going, ooh, it's over with. It's over with. They about to get you. Oh, they about to get him. Oh, they about to get him. He start roofing. Hey, yo. Oh my, and they was right on his ass the whole time. The whole time. Over with. Over with. Oh my God. Oh, they got the whole, yo, they ain't wasting no time finding him. Why didn't he go with the flow of traffic too, though? Like, bruh cut through 2 different lanes, almost caused the accident. Come on, Bobby. Come on, Bobby. He's gone. Oh, I hope he up out of there. I hope he up out of there. Bro. Liv, if he was able to get up out of there. Masterclass. Masterclass getaway award. Masterclass. He's masterclass. Cause that boy just hopped out the car and just dipped on him. Get the bepping on him, dummy. Plus someone is hoping, yes. Shout out his girl, W girl, I'm not gonna lie.
Was that somebody yelling? Hold on for a minute. Come on, Scotty. Answer, baby. Answer, Scotty. I hear him back there. He's way back here.
Damn, you locked out your own car. Oh my gosh. Whew, cooked.
Oh, we're here, Chris. Over here, Chris. We got eyes, Chris. We got
Uh-oh. Got eyes on him. Okay, but did they get the suspect though? Oh, but trust. Buddy was in the car was left on, and he just up and out of there. All the veteran troopers, man, all the old heads done got there now. That's basically what that means. All these losers. Straight losers. Man, bro, y'all see how these cops, they really feel like they way better than people, bro. I don't care how many years you been a cop. I don't care what you done did, bro. Don't that badge don't mean nothing when you out as a civilian, gang. I mean, he is doing his cop duty right now, but bro, chill out, bro. He getting mad because he getting talked over. You just a wussy. Getting his little feelings hurt.
I should have shot him.
What? Nigga, what? Bro, y'all hear how they talking, bro? You see what they should have shot, nigga, cause he stole a car? Bro, these cops are mine, bro. Bro, shout out Obama. Power trip. This is crazy, my nigga. You should have shot him because he took off in your whip because you left the car on. You didn't put him in the back seat. You put him in the front. What, bro? You should have shot him. Blew his head off as he just said. Let's go right back. Let's go back. I should have shot him. You should have blew his fucking head off. For what? Stealing somebody's car, my nigga? Or what? Because he stole a police officer's car. My gun and shot someone. Like, bro. Unsuper. Like, come on now, bro. That's crazy work. You're good. I ain't gonna lie. If he can get away with this one, bro, W him.
He's like on the door handle, bought me, took off. I was screaming at Lee. I was like, oh, man, it was hitting like 128. I hit 140. The vehicle's not damaged, right? Just tires. I got all four. He was still 80, 90 mile an hour down 40. So you dived? I was like, oh. I went to pull my gun. He went like this. Okay.
I went to K9. Now your hands up. I'll send the dog. You will be bit. Everybody stay behind me.
Yep, no, stay back.
If you want to work towards about the middle of where we left you.
Yeah, I wouldn't. Hey, I'd stay right there. Let him get his thing going. Stay back plenty. That way we can get a good track on him. I don't like getting up in the containment area. Let's stay back.
I heard him hiding up in the brush up here.
Really?
But I didn't want to get in there.
Yeah, sure. No, he's not far. That's precious track as you can get.
He's running. He was still moving.
I know. Hang on. Stay. Hey.
Oh, I hope my boy can get away. I hope my boy can get away, bruh.
Went through here. Okay, you gonna swing around? No, you are good. Oh, I'm trying to get killed. They're getting up there a little too far. Oh, I got to keep going. You are good.
Circle around it.
Bro, I would just keep going. Just keep going. The forest don't stop.
Show me your hand. Show your hand.
No, he really got caught.
Do not move.
Come on, bro. What happened? Yo. Look at him. Look at him. Look at what they doing, bro. Look at what they doing, bro.
Stand up. Put your feet under and stand up. Damn it. You're way in there. Put your hands behind your back. Bull. You got him? Step out.
That black guy's a bitch. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. That black guy's a bitch, bro.
You're going to do it for a long time, bud. Old police car, bud. How does 20 sound?
How does 20 sound? He's not getting 20 years for stealing a police car. At most 5.
You got the right to remain silent. I'd suggest you use it. I suggest you shut the I know my rights. Good.
I know my rights, bitch. I suggest you shut the fuck up, you cocksucking motherfucker. You know, I'm not sure if I can say that on Twitch.
I was grabbing you so I didn't fall. Make sure you got no blood on it. He's bleeding. Had a couple scratches. Where you at? Hands was coming over. What's your name? What was his name? Which one? Stinson Morgan. I'll catch you again.
He said, I ain't running a circle jerker.
Talk to you second time. What's the third?
You talked to me first time?
Yeah.
4.5 years ago?
Yeah.
You catch wasn't your ass. Would.
Wasn't your bitch ass? Hey, yo. Hey, yo, he took these boys on a chase. Hey, yo, he took these boys on a chase. Got them gasping for air, drinking water, bro.
He wasn't ever trying to hurt you, but he kept looking at your calf going, cluck, cluck, cluck. I'm like, hey.
The suspect, identified as 38-year-old.
He's 38. Oh, yeah.
With criminal cases
Yeah.
back to 2017.
2017? Oh, yeah, he don't plan on stopping.
Guilty to second-degree
He don't plan on stopping.
and was sentenced to
7 years? Golly.
case. Andrew pleaded guilty in 2 separate Butler County felony cases on February 25th.
Yo.
Pleaded guilty to first-degree tampering with a motor vehicle, resisting arrest by fleeing while creating a substantial risk of serious injury or death, and second-degree burglary. He was sentenced to 7 years in the Missouri Department.
Oh, my gosh. He's what? He's 38 right now.
With the sentences ordered to run back-to-back.
That's 9 years. Just call him, bro. Just call him 50, bro.
Andrew was sentenced to
16 years?
4 years shy of.
Oh, damn. I ain't think they was going to give him that many years, but golly. Oh, my gosh. Hold on. Let's go back to the green screen. Bro, chill the fuck out. Back to the green screen. Yo, what's going on YouTube? That is going to be the end of today's video. Oh, my gosh. That was a crazy one, bro. That was a crazy one. I thought my boy was about to get away, but at the same time, nigga, you's a bum, gang. You 38. Still running from the law, nigga. You need to be packed up somewhere, brother. You need to be packed up somewhere with your kiddos, feet kicked up, smoking your cigar, drinking your lemonade, bro. Like, come on now. You 38? That's gonna be me at 38. I'm gonna be kicked up somewhere in Hawaii. Hawaii. Drinking my lemonade, having my little flower thing, you know what I'm saying? Bro. He too old to be doing all that. But YouTube, y'all be sure. Y'all be the first to comment on this video so you can get shouted out in the next video. With that being said, it's me, boy DK. I will see you in the next one. Peace.